In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a monthly review system in Obsidian so you can reflect on your progress and plan ahead with clarity. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening Obsidian and navigating to the vault where you keep all your notes. Once you're inside, create a dedicated folder for your reviews by clicking the New Folder button in the File Explorer. Name this folder Reviews so everything stays organized in one place. Click on that folder to select it, then click New Note to create a fresh document. Give this note the title Monthly Review. This will be your template for every month going forward. Now, structure your note by adding clear sections. Type out highlights, challenges, lessons learned, and goals for next month, each as a separate heading. Under highlights, write down your biggest wins from the month, whether that's completing a key project or hitting a personal milestone. Under challenges, note what didn't go as planned. Be honest here, because this is where real growth happens. For lessons learned, capture the key insights you gained from the month's experiences. Finally, under goals for next month, list your top priorities so you know exactly where to focus your energy. To make your action items actionable, use checklists. For example, type a hyphen followed by a space and then brackets with a space inside like this, dash, open bracket, space, close bracket, then write your task, such as launch new project or complete training. This creates a clickable checkbox in Obsidian that you can mark off as you make progress. Next, add tags at the bottom or top of your note to make future searches easy. Include tags like monthly review, hash planning, and goals. These act as powerful filters when you want to pull up all your reviews later. Once your template is set, you can duplicate this note at the end of each month and update the content. Simply rename it with the appropriate month and year. To quickly find any past review, press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac to open the command palette. Start typing monthly review, and Obsidian will show you all matching notes. You can also search by tag for even faster access. And there you have it. You now have a simple, repeatable monthly review system in Obsidian to track your wins, learn from your challenges, and set clear goals for what's ahead. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.